Hi, in this video I want to show you how to use the alignment tool in JDesigner. So to give you an initial example, let's say I distribute randomly some species nodes. Okay, I selected the node icon and I'd like to align them so that they're all aligned to the left. And all I do is select the left mouse button, drag to enclose all the nodes I want to align. Notice they're all selected. I can pick any node now, right click. This menu comes up, find the align entry, find the align left, and they're all aligned. Now the other thing you might notice is that they're not evenly distributed vertically, so I'd like to do that, sort that out. So if I right click any node, align, and distribute it vertically, they're nicely distributed. Now let me undo all that to go back to the original state, and I can do that just by typing Ctrl Z a couple of times. There you go, I'm back to the original state. Let me select them again, right click. This time I might want to align them to the left, to the right. So they're aligned to the right. Let me undo that again. Now the other thing you might want to do is sometimes you might have nodes that are different widths because they contain node names of different sizes. So I might have something like that. And I want to center align, I want to align them down the center. So if I select them all, right click, align, center, let's distribute them vertically as well nicely, and you can see they're all nicely distributed. Now once I have them selected like that, of course I can move the entire block around using the cursor keys, or if I hold the Alt key down I can move the whole block using the mouse. Now I can do the same thing horizontally. If I just move around a bit, I can select them all, align to the top, let's say. And again, I could align them horizontally as well. Okay. The final thing I want to show you is the grid alignment. Let's drop 8 nodes. There's 8 nodes. Now there's a grid option. If I select them all, go align, and align to grid, it forms a grid. Now in this case it's a 2 by 4 grid, and you can see that the padding is uneven. That's because in the preferences, go to the options, you'll see there's a means to change either the X padding or the Y padding and the number of columns on the grid. So let's change the number of columns to 4, and we'll even out the distance between each node. Right click, and they're aligned to the grid like that. Useful if you want to draw a set of reactions between nodes forming some sort of cascade. The other thing I'll do is I'll select all the reactions. Oops, let's do it up here. Up here, select all reactions, and I want them, let's say I want them straight, just convert them to straight lines, and so I have something like that. Okay? Alright, thank you.